Hey guys, welcome to another video on Universal Trendy. Today we are at the Beverly Hills Art Show. So this is an annual event held each year for a consecutive 50 years. So this is the 50th year anniversary, we could say that, because it's been going on for 50 years continuously. So here we have a bunch of arts and sculptures and a lot of stuff, beautiful stuff. So all the art fans.
When I put my hand over his mouth, this is yelling.
So this is the main entrance of the event. This will stretch along for like 1 mile from here, and there's a lot of stuff. So stay tuned with me, get your popcorn ready. So because we are gonna go inside, it's gonna take hours for me to record everything. So stay tuned. Right now we're in front of Charissa Smith's art store. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I'm sorry if I didn't. But look at these art pieces, guys. Like, look how beautiful they are. I can't even imagine to draw something like this good. Because what I'm best at is drawing cars, maximum. Like, look at these flowers, the themes. Like, it's just so natural. Like, look, it's like, they're like so expensive. They go for like $1,800. But these, just stay tuned with me for the video, guys. There are pieces that are worth thousands, grands. There are thousands of worth, guys. So, and right now we are in another stall. So this entire stall theme is newspaper. So they have drawn things on newspapers, as you guys can see. For example, this drawing of Darth Vader. So, and they have small pieces of art that they're selling for a smaller price, as you guys can see. And right here we have professional photography, and they're like so good in quality that it's like ultra realistic, guys. So these are some more pieces from the newspaper theme. Like, look at this shot, guys. In person it looks so much better. Like, these are like ultra realistic, and it's so beautiful. It's signed, so they were photographed by an amazing photographer. And look at that wave, guys. Like, imagine. It's so beautiful. And we have a lot more pieces in here. So as you guys can see, this turtle, sunshine. Nice to meet you. I'm Tanya. This wave. Do you draw this by hand?
Huh?
Do you draw this by hand?
With the camera.
Oh, with the camera.
Yeah.
Nice. So moving forward, we have thousands of art stores. For example, this one is astronaut themed, as you guys can see. So this astronaut is covered in butterflies, and we have a lot of other pictures like flower vase. Here are some small art pieces, and we have right here we have some social media based art, as you guys can see. It's all about how social media is affecting the life of people, like the daily life. Like, the entire body is controlled by social media, as you guys can see right here. So it has a name of all the brands. I'm not gonna say them on here, but going forward we have more photographed art right here, and this is mostly the ocean themed art, as you guys can see. So this is, oh, it's not photographed actually, it's actually drawn by hand. It's so much good in quality that I actually thought it was photographed. But like, oh my god, look at this tree. That's a piece of art itself. So going forward, so that's a big painting right there. So going forward we have a lot more stalls. So as I like to call it, this is the first section of the art event. We have 2 to 3 more sections to go, and so you guys need to stay tuned for the part 2 and part 3 that I'll be dropping in the future. So right now we have a map of the entire Beverly Hills Art Show. So they give you a leaflet kind of thing with all the with the entire map and where to go, so you don't get lost. So right here, it's a very beautiful sunny day in the city of Beverly Hills. So in front we have more art of the beautiful California palm trees, as you guys can see. These are the icons of California. So most people that are very much interested in California, or know a lot about California, knows that palm trees have a big place in California. So everything in Beverly Hills, the entirety of California, has palm trees everywhere. Look how beautiful it is. It's ultra realistic, guys. And here we have some cute puppies or doggies, and we have many people putting in offers for the art. And right here we have some, I like to call it NFT like, but even though it's not, but we have some different creatures such as frogs, ducks, birds drawn here, and it's really beautiful too. And we have some dogs here, some zombies, some ladies, and next door we have some more basic art. But even though it's basic, it just looks so aesthetic, if that's what you call it. Right here we have some pebbles. And right here we have a vase with one single rose and a small little version of it, and we have some bottles here. And going forward we have some bright art right here, and we have a beautiful painting of the Brown Derby store, and it's like mostly classical paintings right there. So right here we have some more basic art, even though it's so beautiful. Right here, the theme is mostly clothing in this store. Like here we have a coat, and there we have a leather jacket, and here we have another men's coat and a lady's coat, the leather coat, and it's mostly about clothing. So going forward, we have more art right here. So this is like, I don't know what to call it, but this is, I like to call it natural element art, because it looks like natural stuff, like what you see when you like cut a rock in half, for example. Like it depicts another image, but it just looks so beautiful. So going forward, we have, I don't know if this is like the 100th art store I've been to right now. We have some ceramics right here that they make and they're selling, like for example the sponges, they feel so good. And then we have some more cutlery items and some kitchenware and some cups, some mugs, and we have some ornaments right here, as you guys can see. And then going forward, we have some more art of random people right here. I mean, all these arts, even though they emit a different meaning, they're just so beautiful. Like for example, this art of birds, different type of birds, as you guys can see. So these paintings go up to like, I don't even know, like $20,000, $17,000 per piece. The bigger, the more expensive it is. So right here we have more art, as you guys can see. So most of these buyers of Beverly Hills are very keen, art interested people that come with one main goal, just to buy art, and they bring thousands of dollars with them just to spend on art. Like for example, these paintings of people, these random people, but you could just take it as any meaning as you want to get it. So we have some more art right here, as you guys can see, some art of horses and animals, like for example elephants. And we have some more art of different things combined. So for example, we have an instrument player here, we have some stamps right here, we have some more paintings of elephants, Batman, peacocks, rabbits, horses, etc. And we have a lot of paintings right here. So these paintings are mostly of the ocean, as you guys can see, the ocean line, or the beach, how the wave takes its formation when it's hitting the shore. And going forward, here we have a lot of ceramic ornaments. it just looks so beautiful. We have some more vivid art right here, as you guys can see. I don't know what meaning they have, but they just look so beautiful in real life, and through the naked eye it just looks so good. So going forward, we have more pictures right here, and so these pictures, so all my paints are original, so that means nobody could copy them. She didn't copy it from anybody else. All of these are original. So right now I'm gonna stop commentating. You guys could enjoy what I'm showing you guys, and I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right here we have some ceramic handmade ornaments. Not really ornaments either. There are some things that can be used in your daily life. Like, they look so beautiful, and like for me, if I bought it, I would definitely keep it as an ornament because it just looks so amazing. And here we have a lot of other art pieces right here. So right now we have come to the end of the first section of the art show. So right now here we have some paintings of fish, some koi fish, and these paintings are mostly the Japanese section according to this artist right here. So going forward, we have some more art here, some modern art of this Beverly Hills, so as you guys can see. And going forward, we have some more plates and more ornaments and kitchenware. And here we have some more art that have, like, how would I call it? It's like some daily life scenes, like things that happen in your daily life. So here we have some art that I don't know what the meaning is, but they look nice. And here we have some art made of charcoal and lead. This is so beautiful. Like, look at this, guys. Look how detailed these paintings are. It's like, is this pencil art?
Charcoal.
Oh wow,
Charcoal and lead.
it looks nice.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So going forward, we have some more art. So right now we are going to move on to the, so look at this. Yo, what up, Bobby? In front of the Beverly Hills sign. So these are some modern type of art that Bobby plays a big role, and many characters from movies play a big role in this person's art. For example, we have some Star Wars characters right here, and we have Taylor Swift, we have the California map kind of thing, and then here we have a Dom Perignon, or whatever you call it, champagne bottle. And here, guys, this is a very special art piece because this piece is actually made in Kiev, Ukraine during the war. Like, during the war between Ukraine and Russia. Like, it's so special, guys. Like, look, produced in Ukraine in the city of Kharkiv, or sorry, during the Russia-Ukraine war. Like, look how beautiful this is, guys. You can't even imagine you could make it in the middle of a freaking war. Like, look at these art pieces. They bought this all the way back from Ukraine, and I'm just so happy that they did it because it's an amazing piece of art. So going forward, we have a lot of people here, as you guys can see. So we are gonna walk towards our next stall, and right there, look at that, guys. We have some private jets, an art of a private jet, guys. Look how luxurious that looks. It's so amazing. Wow. And these people actually just bought some art, so that's nice. So there we go. They're actually thinking of buying one, and look at these arts. It's so nice.
But there's ways to personalize it too. So with this one, I've sort of like hidden shit in the graffitis,
Right.
and stuff like that.
Right.
In fact, I'm doing right now.
good. Are these for sale?
Yeah.
How much is that one?
They go for 2,500. That one is 38.
That's nice. I like that one. What do you use to draw these?
What's that?
What do you use to draw these? What do you use to like draw these?
Oh, paint.
Oh, no paint?
Yeah, just paintings.
Oh, wow.
On wood panel. I like to paint on wood panels.
Oh, that's nice. I like the cows.
Yeah, I've been doing the cow paintings for 10 years.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Yeah, this is my first time bringing them out here to...
I mean, it's worth it. Like, look how beautiful it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been painting since I've been a kid, so...
Wow, that's totally cool. Wow.
I'm 46.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyways, it's like so cool.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
It would look better in the sun, to be honest.
Yeah, they do shine. We're just getting a little bit of,
Yeah.
little sun here.
It's beautiful. So what's the meaning of these arts? Oh, thank you.
Well, for my cows, I met cows for the first time 10 years ago in Texas.
Oh.
Yeah.
So like, is there a specific meaning for these?
Yeah. For me, it does. It's been very painting the cows. It's been like just a connection to like nature.
That is true.
And getting in touch with my own heart.
Pardon?
Getting in touch with my own heart.
Yeah.
Getting in touch with the gentle and the soft side.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Totally.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, man.
Thank you.
All right, I'll be back.
Yeah, take it easy.
Thank you so much. Right here we have some more paintings of, seems like the woods. Like, look how beautiful this is. It's just very peaceful, these arts. And all these colors are not too bright or not too dull. It has the perfect mixture of everything. So we have people walking around looking at all the art pieces, and right here we have some beautiful statues, and especially right here we have some beautiful jewelry, as you guys can see. So we have some handmade jewelry right here. We have chains, some sharks or something like that, and then around here we have a nice statue. Look at that, it's fully hand carved from wood by this person, and there are many other statues as well, as you guys can see. So right here we have some more paintings. This just looks so beautiful, and here we have some ornaments that are just mind-blowing to see. Like, how are these things even made from, like, by hand? Like, I didn't even go too much closer in case I drop one of them. But these things are like, I don't want to break them, just to be honest. It's like really nice. And here we have some food trucks, some place for people to chill out after observing the art show for the entire day. And we have people sitting, we have more stalls, and yeah guys, that's technically it for part 1. Here we have some pictures, but more paintings, so you guys can see. So yeah guys, stay tuned for part 2, and take care. Subscribe to Universal Trendy. Peace out.